A male polar bear is searching for a mate. 10 miles ahead, a single female without cubs. Exactly what the male is seeking. He seems to relish her scent, even though she's miles away. This is an exciting prospect. He locks onto her tracks, eager not to lose her trail. It's easier to tread in the compacted snow of her footprints. The female eventually comes into view. The search is finally over. For the female, only half his weight, this must be a nerve-wracking encounter. But he has other intentions. And she is ready and willing. She leads him to higher ground. It seems that courting polar bears prefer privacy. Few have witnessed this moment. For the male, his only tender encounter in an otherwise solitary life. But it doesn't last long. A rival suitor has also caught the female's scent. Courtship has to be put on hold. He must fight for his rights. He sees off this first challenger without injury to either party. But bloodier battles are to come. Another battle won, though he has been slightly injured. He hurries back to his mate, but now she seems to have lost her enthusiasm. Female polar bears are high maintenance. Wherever she goes, he will follow, mating with her when she allows and guarding her at all times.